5 money-saving challenges to try in 2023. Saving money can be tough, but with the right mindset and a few simple strategies, it's definitely possible. In this blog post, we'll be discussing 5 money-saving challenges you can try in 2023 to help you reach your financial goals. The No Spend Challenge. This challenge is exactly what it sounds like. You commit to not spending any money on unnecessary items for a set period of time. This could be a week, a month, or even longer. The goal is to focus on the things that are truly important to you and learn to live without the things that aren't. The 52-Week Challenge. In this challenge, you start by saving $1 in the first week, $2 in the second week, and so on, until you're saving $52 in the last week. By the end of the year, you'll have saved $1,378. This challenge is a simple way to save money without having to think too much about it. The Change Challenge. This challenge is simple. Every time you get change, you save it. It doesn't matter if it's a penny or a dollar, you put it in a jar and don't touch it. This challenge is a great way to save money without noticing it. The 30-Day Rule. This challenge is all about waiting before making a purchase. If you see something you want to buy, you wait 30 days before making the purchase. This challenge helps you to think about whether you really need the item or if it's just an impulse purchase. The Grocery Budget Challenge. This challenge is all about sticking to a strict grocery budget. You'll need to plan your meals, make a grocery list, and stick to it. This challenge will help you save money on food and also help you to be more mindful of what you're eating. By trying these challenges, you'll be able to save money and reach your financial goals. Remember, saving money is not easy and it's a process, but with determination and a little creativity, you can do it. Make 2023 the year you take control of your finances and make your financial dreams a reality. Thank you for joining us on our personal finance journey. We hope that you have learned valuable information and strategies for managing your money and achieving your financial goals. Remember, personal finance is an ongoing process and it's important to continuously educate yourself, set financial goals, create a budget, save, invest and manage debt. It's also important to review your progress and make adjustments as needed. If you have any questions or would like more information on any of the topics we discussed, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and advice. We'll be continuing this series and providing more in-depth information on different aspects of personal finance. Thank you again for joining us and we'll see you in the next video. Take control of your finances and make your financial dreams a reality.